Hi, in this video we are going to do a simple calculus problem. We're going to find a derivative. So the question at hand is to find the derivative of, and our function is going to be f of x equals x minus 1 over x plus 1. And so here you can see we have a quotient, right? We have a fraction. So we're going to use something called the quotient rule. So before we do this problem, I'm going to refresh your memory on what exactly is the quotient rule. So the quotient rule says, this is the quotient rule for derivatives from calculus. The quotient rule says if you have two functions, say f over g, and you want the derivative, think of f as your top function and g as your bottom function. So it's the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom one squared. And this is the all-powerful quotient rule from calculus. So now we're going to apply it to this problem. And so once you can do that, then you are a quotient rule master. All right, so applying it to this problem, note this f is different from this f. So f prime of x, so take the derivative of the top, okay? Well, the derivative of x minus 1 is 1, because the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of negative 1 is 0. So it's the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, which again is 1 because the derivative of 1 is 0, the derivative of x is 1. All over the bottom one squared, so x plus 1 quantity squared. Let's just check that one more time. So it's the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom one squared. Now we can clean this up. 1 times this is just this, so it's x plus 1, and then distribute the minus 1 here. I'm going to go kind of quick. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. And then so here we have, oh, this is funny. And I'll tell you why it's funny. It's kind of, I don't know if it's good or bad. When I saw this problem, I knew the answer. Like I knew the answer to the problem. I actually had this memorized for some reason, just from doing so much math. So there's the derivative, right? Pretty cool. So hopefully you've learned some mathematics in this video. If you want to learn more math, check out my courses. They're on Udemy, but the links are in the description of this video. So use my links because you'll get a low price. Or use the links from my website, mathsorcerer.com. Check out my other YouTube channels, Math Sorcerer Espanol and The Internet Sorcerer. Until next time, keep doing mathematics.